So I'm Robert Hanley. I'm the CEO and founder of Home Video Studio. What we basically do is we teach people how to make money with video. Now, I used to go out to Video Maker East and Video Maker West. So these were like expos, and you'd have companies like Apple and Adobe and JVC and Sony there, and they would all speak. Everybody would get a chance, to speak to the audience. And there were tons of video people and wedding guys and production companies and anybody who wanted to be in video. Well, they would all speak about equipment, gear, what was the latest thing. What I would talk about would be making money with video. So I'd say, okay, raise your hand if you've ever done a video for free, and every hand would go up. And then I would say, okay, well, raise your hand if you've ever done a video, but you really just didn't get paid what you thought you should be paid. And once again, every hand would go up just about. Why is that? Because that's how we start in this business. We do a project for somebody, we do it for free, and we get in the habit of doing things for free. The other thing is we don't know how to price. I mean, how would we know how to price? Who would teach us how to price? And how would you know the difference between a $500 video and a $5,000 video? How would you figure out what your client would pay? Well, that's what we teach. I mean, I went broke twice trying to figure out the video production business. And what I found out, I don't know what you found out, but what I found out was that the big money was not in the $50,000 TV commercials or the $200,000 corporate film. The big money is actually in all the small jobs. And through trial and error, through the grace of God, through being at the right place at the right time, I just found a business. We call it Home Video Studio now. Basically, it's a video production services business. And we make a lot of money, okay? And we always focus on the money. I mean, you can see the equipment back here. If you've seen our videos, we have top-notch everything. But it's not the equipment you have. It makes no difference the camera you have or the editing system you have. It makes a difference on your mindset, okay? And how you price your projects. And then, of course, how do you market? How do you get customers? Well, that's what we teach. That's what we provide. Once again, I can't stress this enough. Home Video Studio is a money-making system that uses video. Does that make sense?